Hey, welcome to another episode of Roli Eats. Today I am meeting a good friend of mine to go over and find some food. This is a big deal to me because she normally doesn't get to join me on rides, much less for a good meal on a ride. So let's go ahead and check it out, and let me introduce you to Jessica. I'm gonna cut it. You gotta wave to the camera.
What's up, everybody?
All right, so let's go ahead and gear up and find out what we find to eat. All right, so Dominic's in Ballground. Cute little spot. So you come in, you order through the trucks, the food truck. They give you a little buzzer. You walk in and you wait for your food to buzz. You go and you pick up your food. You buy the drinks inside. They don't have a fountain machine, so that's kind of a bummer. But they do have the bottle Coke, that's always fun. But it is pricey. My pizza was $14. The Coke is $3. So you're already looking at 17 plus tip. They do have a little ice cream shop, handmade ice cream. I didn't get any, but they do look good. Nice service. The lady inside is very nice. Fun atmosphere with the old school rock. They've got 1950s jukebox in there. They do have additional seating in the back. I assume they have some fun here weekends, nights. Looks like they have another oven. I'm going to assume they use that when they're busy. Parking is fine, no problems if you're familiar with Ballground. Some of the spots may not have much parking, but it doesn't seem to be a problem here. My main takeaway would be they don't have appetizers. I wanted some breadsticks, and I told my friend Jessica, I'm like, I want some breadsticks. You know, I just want something to start off and check things out before the main meal came out. The pizza, very thin crust. So if you like thin crust, this spot would probably do it for you. Although they're thin, they're very crispy. So you hold that pizza up, and it holds up. It's a pretty thick, not thick crust. It's a pretty crispy crust. Good flavors. I love the pizza. For $14, a little pricey. It's a 10-inch, but it was tasty. My friend Jessica ordered a Bronx that was 4 cheese, and it didn't come with sauce. She didn't know that, so they were nice enough to bring her a little side thing of sauce. I had the Staten Island sausage, bacon, and what else? Pepperoni. Pretty good, tasty, good pizza, good spot. Just don't come here if you're broke, because they're kind of expensive. Nice little spot to try, and check out my blog at rolieats.com for the full review, and let me know what you think. Ride safe.